Welcome to the Canadian Ag Safety Week, Be an Ag Safe Family, Appealing to Adults webinar. This webinar is going to focus on developing your FarmSafe Plan. What is a health and safety plan? This webinar is made available with thanks to the Canadian Agricultural Safety Week 2017 sponsors, Farm Credit Canada, CN, Dow AgriSciences, and BASF. What exactly is a FarmSafe Plan? It's a business risk management tool for controlling losses due to work-related injuries and illnesses. It's a tool for farm owners and managers with defined operating procedures, operational and worker performance evaluation tools, documented emergency protocols, documented demonstration of due diligence with respect to occupational safety and health, and a management tool that it can integrate effectively with other on-farm management tools such as your on-farm food safety program. The elements of a farm safety plan are straightforward. Canada's occupational health and safety regulators define what should be contained in an occupational health and safety document to manage and track the ongoing health and safety activities of a workplace. The key things that your plan should have to be an effective risk management tool as well as satisfy the regulators are a general policy statement accompanied by a series of operational statements, a process for risk assessment and prioritization, strategies to control the hazards identified in the risk assessment, a process for communicating information between employers and employees, as well as responsibilities and ongoing learning opportunities. The plan should also include a process for reviewing and managing the dynamic nature of this management tool. What's accomplished by developing a health and safety plan? Foremost, it becomes your operational management tool. It defines how you expect work to be done. It becomes your standard for employee performance reviews. As well, it is your management tool for ensuring consistent and safe work. The cost of the plan is variable. Are you going to develop your farm's plan yourself? Your major investment will be your time and your employees' time. Budget about 80 to 120 hours over the course of a year to develop it. In addition, on an ongoing basis, allocate at least 15 minutes per day to talk about getting the job done efficiently and safely. If you're going to hire a consultant to write the plan for you, you should anticipate paying several $1,000s for someone to come and do it for you. The consultant will need your time and your employees' time to understand what and how things are done. You will need to make a commitment to continue the work once the consultant is finished their work. You may also have to invest in infrastructure changes and maintenance. This is determined by your current maintenance and safety practices. Who should be involved in developing your safety plan? Regardless of who develops your farm safe plan, management must be committed and involved for the plan to survive and be useful. Workers, including your family members, have to equally own the plan's development and maintenance. They have to understand that the plan has been developed to protect them as well as improve the efficiency of the operation. Additionally, all visitors, service providers, contractors, and anyone else who sets foot on your operation needs to do two things. They need to know that you have health and safety performance standards and expectations that they will comply with them. Additionally, they have a responsibility to inform management that if they have a health and safety concern, they should communicate it to management. This safety and health plan has both long and short-term benefits. Short-term benefits include improved employee morale. Employees look far more favorably on their employer if the employer demonstrates caring for their workers. Additionally, it provides an opportunity to review operational efficiency on the farm. On a long-term basis, it does improve overall operational efficiency. It does improve employee morale. There is a reduced probability of an incident occurring, and if it does occur, the severity should be lesser. It also provides documented demonstration of due diligence should an incident occur and a regulatory agency become involved. And of course, it also provides regulatory compliance activities in a documented, efficient fashion. This plan works for all sizes of farms. It works on any size of a farm. It provides independent operators with no employees. They still have visitors, service providers, and so on who need to know about your policies. It provides you with a risk assessment and provides you with an opportunity to plan control strategies for those risks. You need to have access of material safety data sheets and hazardous material inventories regardless of the size of your operation. Additionally, you should have emergency plans and contact information readily available whether or not you have employees. It reminds you to learn about new equipment, materials, and have access to operating instructions. It also helps you be prepared with information and training materials should a volunteer or temporary worker come onto your farm to provide assistance. What you do have to remember is you have to maintain records of what you have. Do you have to do it all at once? You will have to prioritize the work. Our suggestion is that the greater the risk of injury or illness, the greater the priority be given to addressing that issue. It is important to be prepared to address the health and safety issues before the work starts. So take advantage of non-peak farming times to pre-plan for the next season and do your risk assessments and develop your control strategies. Should you hire someone to do the work for you in developing your FarmSafe plan? You certainly can hire someone to help write your health and safety strategy, but you will still have to invest time and work with them to provide them with operational information. They must be competent to do the work for your farm and not just reproduce someone else's plan with your farm's name on it. You should expect that the consultant will have to spend from 10 to 30 hours on your farm to assess it and understand what it uses and does. The consultant will then have to research and develop specifics to suit your farm. Once your consultant is finished, then your work starts. It becomes the responsibility of everyone on your farm to make it work. Don't lose your return on investment. Remember, health and safety is business risk management. The impact on a farm's economy can be significant. Minor injuries will cost your farm's economy about $700. Serious injuries involving hospitalizations may cost your farm's economy as much as $10,000. Permanent disabilities have been projected at being as high as $143,000. And fatalities will cost your farm's economy at least $275,000. Remember, safety management is business risk management. Take the first step. Create a general safety policy for your farming operation. As part of Canadian Agricultural Safety Week 2017, CASA will make available free of charge the Canada FarmSafe Plan. Just visit agsafetyweek.ca, use the template to create your general policy statement, and then download the Canada FarmSafe Plan. Thank you. I'm Glenn Blahy, the Agricultural Health and Safety Specialist for the Canadian Agricultural Safety Association. Farm safely.